Alright, so we're at the beach right now in Hallandale, Florida, and just want to check some units in the other rooftops. There's a Train XR right over there. There's like a Goodman gas pack. And way over there, I think that's a Carrier Infinity system. I'm gonna make this quick right now. There's 4 Train Odyssey over there. Wow, window units. Alright, so like I said, I was on that floor over there. There's like a Carrier Infinity system right there. And then I think that's another Carrier that's really old actually. I'm not 100% sure if that's a Carrier, but I do know that one is an Infinity Performance. And well, I don't have to get in trouble. There's like so many people right here, so I really don't care if I get in trouble. And that Carrier is rusted out because of the 2 minutes from the ocean, I think. But whatever. I'm actually gonna be honest with you guys, but this place is pretty nice. Like, look at this. This is Hallandale, and I'm trying to find like some air conditioners that are installed to the ground, because I really cannot get to the roof. So, all right, here's one air conditioner over here. There's 2. These are 2 Frigidaires, window ACs, and there's some others over there. I don't know what this one is, but this one looks like it's painted over. So, but yeah, it's currently running. It's a split. Oh, it's a Daisuke. Okay. It's a 3.5 ton from 2012, 20th week. And then here's 2 Frigidaires, and over here we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 air conditioners that are really rusted out. That one right there is a Bryant. I think that one's a Kenmore. 2 Goodman units, a Lennox, and a Rheem. I never seen them rusted out before. They're like 2 minutes from the ocean, to be honest. Yeah, that Bryant unit is running, as you can tell. This thing is quiet. But that one looks like a Comfort Maker or Kenmore. Okay, it looks like it's from 2014. I can tell about that. The Lennox is from 2015, 2 ton. I don't know about those, to be honest. There's more all the way over there that are rusted out. I've never seen air conditioners being so rusty before. Goodman, a Rheem. That's an Arctic King all the way up there. There's a Frigidaire, another one. There's a Friedrich right there. That one's a Goodman, and over there's a Rheem. So they look like they have a hack job on those installs. I don't understand why. These looks like apartments. So yeah, probably. So I'm gonna go check more if there's more air conditioners. Alright, here's more units caged up, but they're actually installed really hacked. Here's a Rheem running, really rusted out. Oh, it's a Weather King. Alright. It's from 2008. 4 ton, and the Goodman. The Goodman looks like a recent install, to be honest, and that one's hot right there. That's cold. Okay, it's from 2016, 3 ton. They're kind of a hack job, so really hacked. I have to find more. Here's a Nordine over here, running at the same place. So it's also rusted out, and these coils are really bad, but I don't know why. This doesn't smell too good, because this is like 3 minutes away from the ocean. So this one's farther. At least the data panel's still there. From 2014 to 5 ton. This is recently installed unit. That's out to temperature and suction line. This is a really dirty unit. A newer Nordine air conditioner rusted out. That is a straight cool unit, and it smells really bad, so I'm not getting close to that. Yeah. And definitely I'm not getting busted right here. I'm hoping not, but Don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna like try to find more air conditioners around here. So, all right, here's a little update on this Nordine, I think. You can see that it's a great cool unit. It's got a Midwest disconnect. Model number JS5BD-060KA, 5-ton from 2014, Nordine. It's got offer today. That's off the temperature, and I'm not even touching those. This guy is dirty as hell, and it smells really bad. So this is 5 minutes away from the ocean, and it is really, really rusted out. There's not that much music around here, but Nordine smells like shit. It's been 6 minutes since I filmed this, but some window air conditioners around here, but some of these are unbranded. So, all right, there's a couple more right here. Here's a Ream from 2012, 5-ton. I'm gonna make this quick. These liquor binds out, the temperatures are hot when they're running. I don't know why. These are all hack right here. There's a Lennox, that's a Lennox right there, Carrier. And then this one, I believe that's a Weather King, yeah, it's from 2004. Yeah, Lennox. The Carrier is running cooling mode. From 2016, 4-ton, Carrier. 2013, 3-ton. And then let's take a closer look at the freightage. I don't know if I can get closer to look at this unit. This looks like, oh, it's running. There's a Honda state. Piece of shit. Bryant is running. I think that's a Evolution system or a preferred series unit. That's the only one running. This is really quiet. Made by Carrier. I think that's a Comfort Maker or Kenmore looking unit or Tempstar. So, got a Daisuke inverter. 2012, 20th week, 3.5 ton. Alright, I'll see you guys in part 2. I guess over and out.